Hi, I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations at LovelySkin.
And I'm Jill, the Content Manager.
We're very excited to unbox, discuss, and try the newest brand to arrive at LovelySkin, ALASTIN.
If you're not familiar, ALASTIN is a physician-dispensed brand, and our customers have been asking about this for a long time now. So we're thrilled to announce that today is the day you can get ALASTIN at LovelySkin.
So how is ALASTIN unique? Specific products are formulated with TriHex technology, which is made up of 2 types of peptides that do 3 things for the skin. They removed aged collagen and elastin proteins, rebuild those proteins, and finally help replenish them continuously for an improvement in wrinkles, discoloration and texture, tone, and much more.
Let's unbox. So I'm going to try the Regenerating Skin Nectar with TriHex technology first.
And I'm going to try C Radical Defense Antioxidant Serum.
So this product is actually a special one in their collection because it was formulated specifically to prep skin for in-office treatments like IPL, microneedling, lasers, chemical peels, all of those sorts of treatments. It has the TriHex technology, which helps strengthen the skin ahead of the treatment, as well as helps it to recover more quickly afterwards. It also has arnica and antioxidants derived from microalgae to calm and protect sensitized skin. Plus, it's water-free, preservative-free, and also bacteriostatic.
Wait, what does bacteriostatic mean?
Oh, that's a good question. So bacteriostatic means that it prevents the growth of bacteria.
Okay.
It's great for all skin types, but especially good for that compromised skin post-procedure.
That's good to know. The vitamin C is formulated with sodium ascorbate, a novel form of stable vitamin C, in an encapsulated delivery system. Plus it has 15 antioxidants to protect skin from environmental damage and blue light. It helps improve tone, texture, redness, and hyperpigmentation.
So the last product we're going to try today is the Restorative Skin Complex. So this one also has the TriHex technology, but it also includes some very popular and proven ingredients like niacinamide, silver mushroom, which helps address those pigmentation issues and provide deep hydration. It's a great anti-aging product because it improves elasticity and wrinkles. So what are your final thoughts?
I love the textures of the products, and the vitamin C serum especially, it absorbs right into my skin.
I probably am gonna have to pick up this Restorative Skin Complex because pigmentation is probably my #1 concern, and it just is so lovely on the skin. I'm excited to try it.
And the Skin Nectar felt so soothing. I could see how someone post-procedure would really love that product.
Totally agree.
Thank you so much for joining us for this unboxing. You can find ALASTIN and a wide selection of dermatologist-approved products at LovelySkin.com.
And for more product education, tutorials, and unboxings, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.